Yo, I gotta be like your mother here, bro. You're forgetting to actually groom strategic areas that not only make you look bad, they make you smell bad, bro. So today, I'm gonna show you 6 areas most men, I would say all of you watching right now, probably aren't grooming these areas properly. Starting with number 1, your nose. Yo, your nose is one of those areas where, look, you want to make sure it's trimmed at all times, especially as you age. I think after like 22, 21, those nose hairs start getting long, and most of you don't even take care of them. It looks funny having a long-ass nose hair almost tickling the top of your mustache. Any date, I promise you, the only thing she's going to focus on is that long-ass hair sticking out from your nose. Make sure you're trimming your nose. Takes me to number 2, your ears. So yes, as you age, you could get like ear hair, but that's usually not a problem. The bigger problem is keeping them clean. See, most of you are using Q-tips, but Q-tips isn't solving the issue. If anything, Q-tips is just pushing the dirt deeper into your ear canal and can actually be dangerous. You need to be properly washing your ears, and I guarantee you none of you are doing it. Because you should be doing it every time you step in the shower. After you're done shampooing your hair, grab some of that soapy water and with your finger, clean the outsides of your ear and then the inside as best as you can. The soap's gonna break up most of that wax and then you just let that wash out. If you do that on a daily basis, your ears are gonna remain clean. Number 3, your skin. And what I mean by your skin is that you're not taking care of it properly. Your skin needs multiple steps. It's not just washing your face every day, which most of you don't even do. Most of you probably just use your bar of soap. But if you at least use a face wash, congratulations, you're ahead like 90% of guys. If you want to take it the full length, you not only need a face wash, you need a face moisturizing cream, you need to put on sunblock, and then if you really want to take it to the next level, you need to have some sort of night routine so your skin replenishes as you sleep. This is why I love our sponsor, Geology. See, Geology gives you personalized skincare that helps you achieve what you need by delivering everything you need right to your door. So I don't want you to have to go to Sephora, go to any of these stores, and try to figure out what products work for your skin. Why don't you just let one of the pros do it? Bro, with Geology, you can take a skin quiz. It's absolutely free. I'm actually gonna leave the link down below. I would suggest you guys go to it and take that skin quiz. It's gonna take a few minutes, a few seconds, honestly. You're gonna answer a few questions, and then they're gonna be able to personalize a skincare system specifically for you to battle the issues and problems that you have. So is it redness? Is it oiliness? Is it acne? Is it dry skin? Find whatever the problem is and properly take care of that problem on a daily basis. Bro, Geology is revolutionizing the game, and there's a reason why they've won countless of awards from magazines like Men's Health and Men's Journal as some of the best products for men. These guys are changing the game because they're giving you personalized items. It's not like most businesses, right? Like if I were to tell you, yo, use this exact product, it might work for me, but it might not work for you because skin types are so different. They're giving you what you need, and they're taking it a step further. Bro, they don't just do skincare. They have been changing your entire grooming game to now they even do your body wash, your hair care, which they also have a hair quiz that you can check out. But one of my favorite products, a product that I've never seen anyone else do, is a super clean acne control body wash. See, I deal with body acne, especially around my back area, mainly because I go to the gym and I sweat a lot and you use the same dirty gym equipment everybody else is doing. So that most of you probably lead to the same thing. Yo, they just released this where every time you wash your body with this body wash, it has a salicylic acid that's helping you not only deep cleanse, but also get rid of all of that back acne so even your body's on point. I suggest you check them out right now. I'm gonna have a link down below with an insane offer. Like, yo, it's pretty much a gift. Like, honestly, you got 0 to lose, and then on top of that, I would add one of their extra products, bro. Really change up your grooming routine. I promise you, you ain't gonna look back. If you guys wanna check it out, click that link down below. 4, your fingernails. See, your fingernails is another one of those areas that you just let pass, right? Because you think, yo, if my haircut's on point, my fit's on point, everything else is good. Not realizing that most women are looking at the little stuff. They're looking at the little details you're not even paying attention to, like your fingernails. When your fingernails are dirty, when they're long, bro, I promise you nobody's gonna wanna touch you. And I'm not even telling you to go get a manicure. All I'm telling you is buy yourself a good pair of nail clippers and keep them trimmed at least once every 2 weeks. 5, your eyebrows. I'm gonna give you a little hack here, bro. I used to tell you to pluck, but plucking kind of hurts and it takes too much time. Honestly, nobody has time for that. My girl, she uses an eyebrow razor. I saw it on her side of the vanity. I'm not gonna lie, I took it, I ran with it, and that thing's a hack, bro. That thing, it gives you so much control. It's so easy. You clean up the middle, you clean the top up, and then while I'm at it, I'll line up my beard with that thing. It is the ultimate hack. It's like a couple bucks on Amazon. If you want like a high quality stainless steel one, it might be a little bit more expensive, but it's the best tool you can use to keep your eyebrows shaped and yourself looking good. Number 6, your armpits. 2 ways. 1, you're not washing, and 2, they're too hairy. Think about it. It's tank top season, bro. Right? It's shirtless season. You're going to the beach, you're going to the pool, you're gonna be wearing tank tops. Your armpits are gonna be exposed. Nobody wants your long armpit hairs growing uncontrollably. I'm not even telling you to shave them off completely. Yo, put on a clip guard and at least trim them down to the point that they're not sticking out. You're gonna be showing them off all summer, and then on top of that, most of you have black armpits. And this happens from a lot of dead skin just building up in that area. You need to make sure you're scrubbing down hard in that area to remove all that dirt, all that dead skin, so your skin isn't looking all dirty from all that crust buildup. Which exactly takes you to my elbows. Yo, it's weird, but there's certain areas of your body that look darker than others. And you know, your elbows, your knees, and your armpits. And it's because these are the areas you're not actually... When was the last time you scrubbed down on your knees? Or your elbows? Exactly. Right? So you're getting all that buildup happening there, and then if you're darker skin like myself, you're gonna get ashy. So you look dirty all around. Like it looks like you're not even taking care of yourself. Make sure you're scrubbing down on these areas to remove all that dead skin buildup, and then every time you step out the shower, I need you to hydrate these areas to keep the skin looking flawless.